Greeting guys again. I hope you're well. I hope you're all doing well. Please subscribe to my channel. I just begin the channel and there's a lot that I feel it's in my spirit that I think it can change someone's life. I think it can change someone's mindset and his view of the world. So please guys, please support, please subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. There's something that I wanted to speak of as we see, as black people, as young people. We have said so many things when we have had so many thoughts about how things are around where we live and how other races are viewing us or their perspective on us. But the important thing, I don't care about all those things. The important thing is we have made this thing to ourselves. We have refused to change. We have refused to put our mind, our style into a place of elevation. We have remained in the same position, whining, complaining, and blaming other people for our refusal to change. I know this sounds insulting, but it's happening. Look at our young people. Look at our young people, what they are doing. That is a sign to show that there is something wrong with our society. And until we realize that there is something wrong with our society, change will never come. We will keep on pointing fingers to other people while we refuse. The power to change our life is in our hands, or it's in our head. Transforming our mindset, changing our view, looking at things in a way that is different. It doesn't matter how a person thinks of you. If you choose to elevate yourself, you choose to grow to a place where they cannot look down on you, their opinion doesn't matter. They will look down on you when your position is downwards. But when you elevate your mindset, you change your way, you change your world, you create your own reality. You show that you are more than capable to create, you are more than capable to bring new things. Eventually, you will be elevated into a higher place. And that's what we need. That's what we need as black people. Let's change our mindset. Let's elevate into a higher place.